everyone! I'm Sarah. Welcome to Sarah's Fun Vlog. Let's start the vlog. Hey guys! Welcome back to my vlog channel. Today is our special Sunday Family Day.
Good morning, everyone! Always brush your teeth. A clean room feels nice.
Healthy breakfast gives us energy.
Helping family is important. Now let's do some learning.
Two plus 3 equals 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Always clean after playing.
Family time is the best. Fresh air feels amazing. Thanks for spending Sunday with us.
See you in the next vlog.